7 left 2 to now for like a 246. Team 32, you guys gonna be ready? Got a wheels up time as a Boyd in 2.5 minutes. Delta 1332, we'll make it with you 1 more minute. 5. Delta 1240 Atlantic Tower on a 26 left line of flight.